the throttle there. Wraps it around the whoop section. There we go. Jeremy switches, now twitches. Here we go. Nice and clean on that landing. Now remember, you guys get to cheer for who you think drove with the most speed and style. Had the most attitude with the drone. Twitch keeps it pinned. He threw it up on 2 tires there, but put it back down. He's used to going on 2 tires. Talked about 15 X Games medals. Yeah, look at that. Man, great truck control right now from Twitch. Just I say that, he goes off. Whoa, buddy, almost kissing that concrete barrier. Getting really soft and comfortable. Let's see how he goes off this jump. He's a bit off axis. Seems like he's losing the grip. As the Toyota tires get slowed out. As Jeremy Twitch Stemmer comes into the spin cycle. There he is, keeping him smoking the Toyota tires. You guys having fun? Make some noise! SEMA! Jeremy Twitch Stemmer! Oh, look at that! Twitch taps his car. With the 3-wheel motion. Whoa! Twitch almost going into the Bears, but keeping it off, keeping it safe. There we go. So here he is, Jeremy Twitch Denver, just about to wrap it up here. As we have them all lined up, you saw them in their respective orders. We saw Ballistic BJ Baldwin go first, Robbie Gordon, Kyle LeDuc. And there he goes, look at that. With a little exclamation point. So Twitch tapping a few too many cones there. If you're keeping score, it looked like that was 3 cones in total hitting the whoop section.